Najaribu kunikazia nini.
Labda kuna mse fulani amelipa vitu zingine zisipostiwe.
VIP. Allow these piston rings. Piston rings, as you can see, is the WD615 engine. Also, there's a new model. This one is the W16 new. In short, it's just the W618. They are more similar. They can cross fit, as you can see. So this is W615. I have 3 different types. This is JP, the JP type. It's original quality. This few in stock, but mostly there's a preference of both Weichai and JP. This is also some good quality stock. This is a neutral stock, no tag, self-imported. So as you can see, all have original WD615 label. This is Weichai. As you know, the W615 is still used in the WP10 engine and the WP12 engine. It's also shared with other engines in the Yutong category. So the rings across, they cut across all the engines by the Chinese makers. So as you can see, WP10 engine also uses the same ring. Original OEM. This is an original Weichai piston rings. So boxed. This is this ring here is from the JP. These are JP rings. They're all original, all 3 section. The ring is it's a 3-ring piston. So these are the rings, and then there's this one for W618. So all Weichai parts are available. All Weichai engine parts are available. Piston, sleeves, rings, main cone, standard. All standard parts. Thank you.